What's up, guys? So for today, we are doing the brakes on the Mazda Miata. We're actually going to be replacing the rotors as well. I found this super cheap drilled and slotted rotor kit on Amazon. It's not a big brake kit by any means, but it's still going to be much needed. I'm pretty excited to check it out. I'm hoping nothing is super seized on the brakes, but we will find out. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Man, oh man, ladies and gentlemen, it is cold out here today. Tootsies are feeling a little bit chilly. I still haven't gotten the R8's control arm solved, but that should be taken in, or it will be in the shop next week. And hopefully it's just an alignment. We'll see. If the whole control arm has to be replaced, that's fine too, but we'll find out.
Gotta open the box.
Yes.
Show off this beautiful rotor.
Let's see.
Hello.
Also, per usual, Michael is here helping.
Howard.
Is... Oh, I guess I missed a piece of tape.
Ooh, so fancy.
Wow.
Slotted and drilled.
Yep. It's so funny. They've got like big brake energy, but they're not big brakes.
But they're better.
But they are better.
They look better. Perform better.
Yes. Yeah, those look like they're the stock size, so I don't think we're gonna have any issues with that. Sweet. Love it. Alright, so first thing that we're gonna do is just get the wheels off and the car jacked up, so then we can take a look at the rotors.
Yeah.
Dude, this brake kit came with gloves. That's actually pretty great.
I've never seen them before.
It's super fancy.
How do they fit? Pretty decent.
Wow,
actually.
Yeah. Like a glove, if you will. Were you about to say that?
I like a glove, man.
But yeah, this entire kit with the rotors and the brake pads included and the gloves was $150. Not bad at all. It was just off of Amazon.
That is not bad.
It had really good reviews too. Sounds good to me.
This is why you need the gloves.
Oh my god.
If only they were within
Mike,
arm's reach.
Are you not using the gloves?
No,
They're right there.
God.
Also, Roshan is here helping us.
Hello.
Pretty sure these are brake pads, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've read that they taste like strawberries. They're brake pads. Are you serious? No.
It's like, is there some kind of coating?
Strawberry flavored brake pads. Yeah, they're scented. Scratch and sniff.
Oh.
Alright, so we had to go to Ace Hardware and pick up an 8mm bolt. The rear rotor was seized, so we're going to use this little thing and insert it into the 8mm hole, and it'll push and get that rotor to come off, which will be good. So let's give it a shot. I'm hoping nothing is super seized.
Yes! Now it could come back out.
All right, so we got one side of the Miata done. Now we're moving to the other side. Sun's starting to come out, starting to warm up a little bit. Absolutely beautiful out here. But yeah, those rear rotors were being an absolute pain. So glad that we were able to get those off. But yeah, we'll see how this other side goes. Yeah, this side is going to be so much easier because one, this rotor is not seized. That brake pad just fell off. But yeah, and then we were able just to lift this up like this because we removed this one bolt down here. This top one up here, it doesn't have that. There's no bolt there, so it just rotates up, which is very nice and easy. But yeah, overall, I think this side is going to be a little bit nicer to us, which I am very much looking forward to. Alright guys, well, we got both sides done, which is great. The rotors look really good on there, and now we're just going to take it for a spin and set those brakes, or like break them in, no pun intended. But yeah, I think that's going to close it out for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and as a reminder, I upload every single Sunday, and we will see you in the next one.